Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a word that you've likely encountered, perhaps even in official notices or school settings. Our word of the day is compulsory. So, what exactly does compulsory mean? Well, it's an adjective that means required by rule or law, obligatory. Think of it as something you must do. There's no getting around it. In everyday language, you might hear it in discussions about education, employment, or even legal obligations. For instance, attending school is compulsory in many countries until a certain age. Now, let's explore some synonyms to broaden our understanding. One excellent synonym for compulsory is mandatory. Consider this. Wearing a seatbelt is mandatory in most vehicles. Another synonym is obligatory. We could say, it is obligatory to file your taxes by the deadline. A further synonym is required. An example could be passport is required to enter another country. Another useful synonym is necessary. For safe operation of the vehicle, regular maintenance is necessary. See how each of these words carries a similar sense of obligation, of something being non-negotiable? Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms, words that mean the opposite of compulsory. First, we have optional. For example, taking art class is optional for students. They can choose another elective. Another antonym is voluntary. Community service is voluntary. Students can do it if they want, but it's not a rule. We also have discretionary. Bonuses are discretionary. Employees are not automatically guaranteed to receive them. Another antonym is elective. For instance, the course is elective, not compulsory. One more antonym is unnecessary. Wearing a heavy coat in summer is unnecessary. The key difference here is the freedom of choice. These antonyms imply that you get to decide whether or not to do something. So, how might you use compulsory in everyday life? Imagine you're talking to a friend about their new job. You could say, is attending those weekly meetings compulsory? Or can you skip them sometimes? Or, if you're discussing school rules with your children, you might explain, wearing the school uniform is compulsory. Everyone has to wear it. Another common expression involves the phrase compulsory education, which refers to the period of schooling that is legally required. Here are some more examples of compulsory in sentences and phrases. Physical education is compulsory for all freshman students. The company has a compulsory retirement age of 65. Jury duty is a compulsory civic responsibility. The test is compulsory for all students who want to apply. All new employees have to undergo compulsory training. The government introduced compulsory military service. Registration is compulsory for this event. It is compulsory to have insurance to drive a car. There is a compulsory fee to join the club. The doctor recommends compulsory bed rest for at least 3 days. Learning a second language is not compulsory in some schools. Vaccinations are compulsory before attending kindergarten. Completing the safety course is compulsory. Submitting the application form is compulsory for all applicants. Paying taxes is a compulsory obligation. Wearing safety goggles is compulsory in the laboratory. Reporting any accidents is compulsory. Following the rules is compulsory for everyone in the organization. Regular attendance is compulsory. Compliance with the safety regulations is compulsory. In summary, compulsory means required by rule or law, and we've explored its meaning through definitions, synonyms like mandatory, obligatory, required, necessary, and antonyms like optional, voluntary, discretionary, elective, unnecessary, alongside real-life examples. Thanks for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of compulsory helpful and insightful. Before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others discover the show. And finally, I'd love to see how you're using the word compulsory. Create your own sentence using compulsory and share it as a comment below the video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. See you next time on Hello Word.